Hi, I'm a data administrator. Of course, I'm responsible for the overall management of data.
Oh my god.
Hi, I'm a database administrator. Of course, I'm responsible for the technical aspects of database management. I, as a data administrator, manage the data about data and define what data is stored in which database, who uses it, how it used, and others. We also maintain a data dictionary.
I'm a database administrator. I also pick what is the requirement for the hardware and software that is needed in the database to ensure that there are no delays in fetching and sending data on the database.
I'm a data administrator. Of course, I'm responsible for the data quality. I'm a database administrator. Of course, I'm responsible for the backup and recovery of the database. I, as a data administrator, often oversee the compliance with data privacy laws and regulations. We ensure that the organization's data practices are compliant with the Guide to the General Data Protection Regulation or other regional data privacy regulations.
I'm a database administrator. I ensure the database is running smoothly. I also troubleshoot and resolve database errors. I optimize the performance of the database by performing activities such as indexing, query, optimization, and others.
Sarado nga, Jay.